I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must confirm you legitimately control the Google account before changing two-step verification. Once done, gather your primary password, any listed recovery email or phone, and any backup codes or your authenticator app. Do not try shortcuts if you lack those elements. Attempting bypass methods risks losing access or violating policies. Make sure to pause here and verify ownership. If you cannot, the correct next step is contacting Google support so they can validate identity and guide the secure removal or recovery process. Use only Google's official account management and recovery tools to make security changes. If you can sign in, navigate security settings to manage two-step verification. If you cannot sign in, use the account recovery flow and answer questions to the best of your knowledge. If prompted, be ready to provide identity verification through Google's formal channels. Avoid third-party help that asks for passwords or codes. Once you engage official support, they will provide the safe, authorized steps tailored to your situation. After authorized changes or recovery, make sure to secure the account, update recovery email and phone, generate fresh backup codes, and review devices and app access. Once done, revoke any obsolete app passwords and sign out unknown sessions. If issues remain or you cannot complete recovery, escalate through Google support and provide proof of identity. They are the only entity that can safely finalize account ownership disputes. Remember, legitimate recovery through official paths protects your data and complies with policy and legal requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.